Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You cannot legitimately use Microsoft Rewards without an account because points must be tied to a verified profile. Instead, start by creating a free Microsoft account. It only takes a few minutes and lets you track earnings. Once done, choose minimal personal details and review privacy settings to limit data sharing. Make sure to enable two-step verification if you value security. If you prefer not to use your main email, create a secondary account strictly for rewards to keep things separate and simple. After creating and signing into your Microsoft account, open Bing or Edge and access the rewards dashboard to view earning activities. Complete daily searches and the short quizzes. These are the fastest, low-effort points. Once signed in, make sure to sync your browser or link an Xbox/Microsoft Store account so purchases and gameplay can add points. Keep the account logged in on devices you use, otherwise progress won't save. Also, set email alerts for special promotions to boost earnings. When you have enough points, go to the rewards redemption page and choose a gift card, donation, or sweepstakes entry. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. Once done, verify your points history and pending activities so you know what cleared and what is still processing. If something goes wrong, for example missing points or redemption failures, make sure your account email is verified. Sign out and clear browser cache, then sign back in. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support through official channels for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.